Hey, everybody, I want to share with you three things you can do right now today inside your practice by scheduling a meeting with your staff, whether it be individually or in a group session, that's going to make all the difference in the world for 2026. It is coming up, and the beginning of the year is a great time to make some changes. Number one, change your EMR system. If you're not in a system that has full automation, full transcription, full AI documentation for you that you can just walk and talk and it'll literally pull together your note. Number one. Number two, check your billing service provider. We do billing for hundreds of offices around the country, and make sure your AR over 90 is literally less than 20%. And AR over 120 should be under 15%. We strive each and every day to drive those numbers down so that you get maximum collections. You should find a way to do that and make sure that your service provider is providing that for you. Number three, pay for performance. It's high time for you to really confront the reality that there's not a surgeon in the world that's not paid any other way. And there's a reason for that. Hospital centers are very smart and have been for over 2 or 3 decades now to know salary plus benefits is dead. So if you're going to run a successful practice in a 20% net revenue, which I think every physical therapy practice should be able to profit 20 cents on the dollar so it can pump that energy back into growing and flourishing and prospering into the future, you need to get your payroll under control. Your payroll has to be in the 40s, close to 40% of your monthly GI, no more than 49%. Drive that down. That means outsource what you can and do what you do best. Focus on your clinical care. So get your payroll down around 40% so that you can actually thrive in 2026. And that's only going to happen, in my mind, through a pay for performance model. Reward people for the merit based system that you have. Optimize your AI and all your automation within your EMR system, and make sure that all your outsourced providers are hitting all the key metrics that they've promised you. And if not, which is fine, people do stumble, trip, and fall, communicate, 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 and give them an opportunity to cure, because a better, longer standing relationship is always more beneficial to you in the long run than starting over and starting over and starting over and thinking the grass is greener on the other side. I see people move around all the time and it never really benefits them. So don't make those mistakes. Do what you can do so that you can live a better life in 2026, not just for yourself, but for your patient public, your patient care experience, and for all of the people that come to work every day with you. Have that practice that people want to beat the door down to be a part of, and you will have the most successful practice. It's not about the money, it's about the quality.